This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Can I tell you how excited I am for today's video? Because your girl lost her mind and decided to buy all of the mini brands. I bought all of them, baby, in hopes to get a full collection. Will it happen? I don't know, but I'm excited. So if you've been living under a rock lately, which I mean, I don't blame you. I don't blame you if you have. The world's dying outside. Ulta is teaming up with mini brands to come out with these adorable plush pendants. They're about $9.99 a piece. There are 9 different little plush keychains that you can get. I'm gonna pop the picture right here of what we could potentially get. But here's the kicker though, right? I wanted to get the whole set because I'm a completionist and I'm a psychopath. You can't do that. You can't buy the whole set. It's just not possible, which I'm dying. I've died. Okay, like I'm literally dead. And I was like, well, what are we gonna do? You know what we have to do? We just have to buy 9 of them and hope to God that they're all they're all different, because unfortunately the local Ultas by me didn't have them in stock. I went to 3 of them. None of those bitches had them. So I had no choice but to go buy these online. When I tell you, okay, I'm not around. I got 9 of these little shits and we are gonna get to the bottom if this, well, one, we know it's a cash grab, but it's a cash grab that I'm okay with, okay? But we're gonna get to the bottom of this and see if maybe I am truly lucky, because I like to think that I am, but maybe I'm truly lucky and I will get 9 different things. If not, I don't know what's gonna happen. But if I don't get the one with the Dyson, I will riot, okay? I will riot. So without further ado, I wasted my money so you didn't have to, and let's see if any of this is worth it, because listen, $9.99 actually is really not that bad for a plush pendant, so I kind of want to see like the quality of these little guys, but this could also make for like a really cute stocking stuffer, or just like a, hey, I know everything sucks, here you go, like, oh, thank you, you know what I mean? I want people in my life to do that for me, like, shit, come on, I need to manifest that. Anyway, let's start with number 1. Capsule number 1. Oh, this is so fun. This is so much fun. Okay, I was so excited. I was so excited. Finally, my love of blind boxes and makeup come together. Thank you, Ulta. Thank you. All right, so get my box cutter, because we're not trying to break our nails on this. And we're gonna open this up. Oh, this is gonna be a lot harder. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, like I said, I really want the Dyson one. And if I don't get it, I will freak out. But let's see. I'm gonna pull up the picture. See what, we're gonna pop it up right here. I feel like this is oh, I want this to be the Tarte palette. Oh God. Yes, I want this to be the Tarte palette. I think this is gonna be the Tarte palette, all right? Okay, this is gonna be a lot harder. Do I open it like an egg? Okay, really, bitch? Place bets now if I'm going to cut my hand open, because I think I will. Shit. Oh, that's where it is. Okay. This video is going to be 30,000 years. Okay, number 1. When I tell you I'm fucking lucky. Let me tell you something. These are worth every penny. I think I blew out my mic. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But can I tell you, look at this little bitch. Look at all the little Tarte palette. Oh, you are precious. Oh my God, stop it. If this palette opened, that would be sick as f, but I don't think it opens. No, it doesn't. It's not that good, I guess, but oh my God, bitch. Oh, I love you. Okay. You know, I think this is gonna be pretty good. So far we have one little Tarte lip palette. Okay. Oh boy. Whew. All right. Okay. I think, ooh, all right. Ooh, what could you be? So let's see. I think you are going to be, I think you're gonna be Good Molecules. I think you're gonna be the Good Molecules one. I don't know why, but I am psychic. The pure joy I got from knowing that that was a Tarte one. Kids wish they would have that energy now. I feel like, I don't know, when you give a kid a toy now, because, I don't know, back in the day, it was like, you get this stupid little piece of shit thing and you just lose your shit. I feel like kids are just so like, eh. They're just, I don't know, not as excited as like, say us kids that were born in the 80s, you know what I mean? They're like too cool for a reaction like that. Yeah, I'm an old lady. By the time this goes up, this is before my big birthday, so listen, I'm gonna be screaming all the time. All right, ready? Okay, you know what? You know what? I always wanted twins. Okay. You know, all right. Let's go to number 3. Let's go to number 3. This feels like it's gonna be my Dyson. It's heavy. No, it's not gonna be the Dyson. You know what it's gonna be? It's gonna be the nail polish. This feels like the nail polish. Yeah, this is the nail polish. This one's the nail polish. But if it is the Tarte palette though, I mean, can we even be mad? We can't be mad at that. This is the nail polish. Not quite the nail polish. But this is so cute. It's Truly, which let me tell you something. I always think Truly's alcohol and I forget that it is a skincare brand. But I mean, look how happy he is. Oh, look how cute. He's fucking cute. Look at him holding his little glazed donut serum, which I mean, I don't know. I feel like if I think about that too long, it kind of seems sad. Because he's a little donut, he's a little glazed donut, and he's essentially selling his essence. I don't know, when you think of it that way, it just feels sad, okay? It feels wrong. Okay, let's move on to number 4, all right? No, I don't feel good about this one. I feel like this is the Tarte palette. This is the Tarte palette again. Thank God I know people I'm just gonna give this to against their will. Oh, yay! Okay, good. Good. Oh, so good. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a little unsettling that this is wet. And it was just this one. This is the wet one. That's kind of weird, right? Right? Look, I'm not with you. It's like, it's wet. It's wet. And it feels awkward. In each one of these capsules, you do get all the little choices. So this one is by the brand Monday. And this one's adorable. That's super cute. I gotta say, like, they really did a good job quality-wise. Like, this is pretty adorable. Kind of confused why this is wet, but it's okay. It's fine. It's so fine. This feels heavy. This is gonna be my Dyson. This is gonna be my Dyson. You are that bitch. I will be sad if I don't get one though. I'm not gonna lie, I will be sad. Yay! I got another Truly. Cute, adorable, but I don't want no fucking duplicates. All right, so far we've had 2 tartlets, 2 Trulies, and 1 Monday, okay? What I want more than anything right now, I would love a good molecules. I need a dry bar. I need a dry bar. I need a good molecules, I need a dry bar, and I need an OPI. If I get those 3, life will be good, okay? Life will be great. So let's see. Dear Blind Box Lord, please give me one of the ones that I want. Please don't give me another duplicate. Please. I have no one to blame but myself, okay? We got, you know what though? Like, I wouldn't be upset if I had another Tarte. Oh, famous last words. But to keep getting the donut one, like, it just feels like so sad. It feels so sad. Like, I am truly sad. So I'm like, you're putting your essence in a bottle, and I don't like that. We have 3 more left, okay? Now, these feel exactly the same. They all feel the same, honestly. Oh, God. Oh, you bitch. You, Ulta, you oh, all right. And this is why I wish you could just buy the whole fucking set. So then I could be a child right now squealing with joy instead of trying to figure out who the I'm gonna gift these multiple Trulies and Tarte palettes, okay? God damn. Honestly, the worst part about this is struggling to open these to only get a duplicate. All right. I have no one to blame but myself. You, Ulta. You. Are you? Fuck you. Okay. I have 2 more, okay? I have 2 more. I just want the Dyson one. Bitch, just give me the Dyson one. I will shut up. I will shut the up. Just give me the Dyson one. That's all I want. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, well, at least it's a different one. And of course, it's like the products I don't even use. Okay, this one's cute. This is Shea Moisture. Look at you, you bitch. I love you. Look at you. Okay, this is super cute. This is super cute. Okay, we're back up. We're back up. We're back up. We have 1 more left, okay? 1 more left. We got this. We're gonna do it. We're gonna end strong, bitch, okay? I got this. I got this. I am mentally fine. I am mentally okay. We got this. I'm not about to lose my shit. We got this, all right? Ulta, how dare you? How dare you, bitch? And if you want to see this type of energy, definitely watch my unboxing videos. I'm actually way more chill and happy. This is just infuriating, but usually I'm very fucking chill. I'm very chill.
I'm very chill.
Okay. Okay, what did we learn today? Don't do that. I also have shit luck. That's what I learned too today. But, no, that's it. I have shit luck and I probably should have stopped at 1, but no. And this is the thing about gambling. This is a slippery slope. I know I talk about it sometimes in my other videos. I'm like, listen, when you're high and it's great, but when you're low, bitch, you're real low. And today was a real low. So not only do I have 3 sad donuts selling their essence, I have 57,000 Tartelette palettes, which is actually kind of funny because the Tartelette palette essentially is a copy and paste, and that's what I got. And then we have this one, which this one's cute. I could with some Monday, and I could with some Shea Moisture. But our Targets, did we get our Targets? Also, one of these was kind of damp, a little concerning. But did we get our Targets? Other than the Tartelette palette, that was it. We did not get our Dry Bar, which the Dry Bar looks fantastic. We didn't get the OPI or the Good Molecules. I'll even settle not having Good Molecules just to have the OPI and the Dry Bar. Bitch. Anyway, now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have these and you have better luck than I do. But if you did decide to buy a bunch of these, did you get some dupes? Because you bitch got a lot of dupes. A lot of dupes. Mother. All right, now I would love to say a very special thank you to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I just want to gobble you all up, and thank you for allowing me to be me, a fucking weirdo. I appreciate it. And of course, I will see you little trash bags real soon. Bye.